everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this guide video, I will show you how to log in Chase loan account online. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in chase.com, press enter. Now you'll be led to the official website of Chase Bank. From here you'll be able to log into the Chase loan account. All you have to do is simply log into your Chase account. For that, what you have to do is provide your username and password. If you haven't enrolled yet, you can also sign up now by clicking on this option, sign up now. If you have already enrolled, click on the field of username. Now enter the username over here. Now click on the field of password and enter the password. If you have forgotten your username or password, you'll be able to find the option for forgot username or password. Simply click on it. After that, you'll be able to recover them. Now after you enter the credentials, what you have to do is click on this option, sign in, that you can see on the screen, and you'll be signed in to your account. So that is how you log in Chase loan account online. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.